Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Yes, happy Monday. And yes, shout out to all those who I met last week. Shout out to you, Kamika. So nice to meet you. Shout out to you, Karen and Julia. Nice to meet you, ladies. And shout out to all of you who I met at the National Research um, Health Research Conference. Yes, so nice to meet you, Dr. Goldburn and Dr. Thompson. So nice to meet you, and yes, I look forward to meeting up with you and collaborating with you, Dr. Goldburn, and the Ministry of Health. So yes, it's Monday. It's the last Monday of November 2019. So we have another month to go in the year 2019. Where has the time gone by so fast? So yes, like I told you last week, we will be talking about Guinea hen weed. And last week I gave you one big highlight on Guinea hen weed. I hope you did watch that video. If you have not seen that video yet, please check in the description section of this video down there. And yes, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share your comments, and do share my videos with your family and your friends. So Guinea hen weed is a powerful herb. It's a powerful herb to have in your backyard. And yes, last week I asked you what is in your backyard. What herbs are in your backyard? I have not seen any comments yet, but you can definitely still share in the description, in the comment section of this video, what is in your backyard. One of the things I wanted to point out last week is that the herbs that are in your backyard are those powerful medicines that you need. That is why God allowed them to grow where you are living, because He knows that you need them. And so, yes, as we talk about Guinea hen weed this week, I did mention how it has great cancer fighting properties. And yes, that was something that I did not know, that I learned. And yes, you're not the only one who's learning. I'm also learning as we go along in my backyard, in my father-in-law's backyard. And so, yes, the Guinea hen weed, according to the book In My Backyard and their studies from the Rileys, Guinea hen weed, it's usually found in the Amazon rainforest, so in the Caribbean, in Central and South America, and also found in Africa. And yes, so I did show you it earlier last video, but this is a leaf of the Guinea hen weed. And yes, it is very good. You can use the whole plant, you can use the leaves, the roots. The root, you can use this is the flower that it blooms. So you can use the flower, you can use the stem. It is wonderful. It's a wonderful plant to have in your backyard. And as I talk about the benefits of Guinea hen weed, one of the things that was surprising to me is that it also have coumadin. It has the substance coumadin. Now, I don't know how many of you know of coumadin, that it is a blood thinner. So if you have blood clots, or if you know someone who had a stroke usually from a blood clot or some other blood related issues, or heart attack, you can understand the importance. Or if you have a heart problem, yes, the doctor may prescribe you coumadin. So Guinea hen weed has coumadin in it. It has a natural coumadin. And yes, so it's a natural blood thinner. So definitely you want to have some of that. Whether you want to have it as a tea, you can also, whether you want to drink it as a tea, you can crush the leaves up and use it for a headache. You can smell it. It's smelling the fresh juice of of Guinea hen weed can help you fight a headache. It can help you fight migraine headache. And yes, you can crush the root to fight migraines also. You can use you can crush the leaves for headache. You can put it on your forehead, right? You can put it on your forehead and just tie. Usually, old time people in Jamaica, or they call it older folks, they sometimes even use Guinea hen weed with rum and other other substances to help fight pain. So yes, it's good for muscle pain. It is also, it can be used for rheumatic arthritis. It's great for skin disease. It also, like many other plants, I know, like the pepper elder, many people love the pepper elder. So like the pepper elder, it's great for fever, fighting fever. It's great to fight indigestion. So it's great for your digestive process, and it's also great for gastrointestinal illnesses. And yes, how do you use guinea hen weed? You can, like I said, you can infuse it in hot water. So you can use about 3 to 5 leaves of the guinea hen weed, and you can infuse it in hot water to make a tea. You can also make a decoction, which is boiling it. Instead of putting it in a cup in hot water, you can put it in boiling water and boil it. You can also make a poultice, and you can also, and one thing I must say, that is a caution, that if you're pregnant, you should not use guinea hen weed because it can lead to miscarriage. As we talk about headache, I want to encourage you, I want to remind you, as Jesus said, let not your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. And so have a wonderful week. I know Thanksgiving week in America. Happy Thanksgiving, Americans everywhere. And God be with you.